Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to give border to the cells. Here, this is the sheet that I have opened. Uh, I have here several cells and where I have several text I have entered. So if you would like to if you would like to give border for the cells that you would like to do it, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is select the cells for which you would like to do borders. Here I would like to select these cells. Okay, up to this selected area I would like to do border. So what I have to do is just right click on this selected area and go to format cells. Go to format cells, and here it is already empty. Okay, if you would like to give outer border, just click it. Okay, if you would like to get inner border, inside line, click on this, and yes, full border is now given, and click on OK. And yes, border has been given. See here. So in this way you can easily do bordering of particular cell or several cells in your Excel sheet. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.